Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a very different video, but before I tell you guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what do you guys think of the color at the end of the video. Okay, so I would tell you guys what car we're wrapping today, but actually I don't know anything about it besides the fact that it's a Honda. So we have the owner here who's gonna talk about his car. It's pretty sick, got some sick ass wheels, and he's gonna talk about it. So without further ado, let's begin this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this whole process here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the owner. Don't let him scare you. Alright, he's a nice guy. Alright, this right here, his man's name is Alex. I'm gonna put his IG right here down below. Make sure to give him a follow and follow his insane build. He's got a lot of plans ahead, so stay tuned for that. But Alex, tell me, what car is this? Talk to the viewers. They want to know what car is this, what you got done to it a little bit, and what's gonna go on.
This is a Honda Civic 2015 base model. So it's a FB2. Yeah, gonna put the wrap on today.
Okay, what kind of wheels you got on the car right now?
So I got SSR SP1s wheels.
And he's on bags, right? Correct?
Yep, on bags.
On bag. What's the name of your kit?
Kevmannz Kit.
Kevmannz Kit. So that's the wide body kit that he's got on right now. Well, he doesn't have it on right now, as you can see. The car is completely bare naked. That's because all the parts, the body kit is inside my house right now. They're already wrapped. We're just waiting to wrap the rest of the car. And so what color you decided to go with us today? Avery Gloss Sand Sparkle. So if you guys aren't aware, that color, I'm gonna put like a picture of the color right here, not the car, but just basically a sample, and then you guys will see at the end of the video what it looks like on his car. We saw a little preview of it already. Dude is shiny as hell, bro. You better watch out when you're driving next to this guy, bro. He might blind you. You could put a baby in here, baby cat.
The back ones you can.
How much you get these for?
You don't want to know.
Nah, I want to know. I don't think they're that bad.
25.
25? That's not a lot, dude.
That's not a lot.
I don't think it is. It's all cut up right now, but once we put the flares of wide body, whew, this is gonna come out super sick with the red seed combination. Alright guys, welcome back to day 2. This is gonna be a little bit different than your traditional review, simply because his car, like I said, has what is it? What kit is it? Kevmannz. Gets a Kevmannz mix. Oh, Kevmannz. Kevmannz Kit, right? I'm tripping. It's a Kevmannz Kit, and I have no idea what goes where goes what, where the bolts. He knows how to do it. He knows everything. So he already saw his car. So I know you guys want to see a traditional review. At the end of this video, we're gonna pretend like he didn't even see the car, and we're just gonna blindfold him and kidnap him, and we're gonna surprise him with his own car. Alright guys, I just received the call from the owner. He's right outside my house. We're about to reveal the car to him for the first time in history. Oh my god, dude, his reaction is gonna be freaking insane. Alright, are you guys ready? Okay, let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Oh shit, he's right here already. Okay, hey, your car's ready, all right? Okay. Make sure you're blindfolded.
I can't see shit.
All right. Have you seen your car yet?
No.
Dude, how excited are you right now?
Dude, I'm shooting out of the sky right now.
All right, well, your car is done. I do have to say, man, tough project. but we got it done. Man, the car looks great. Are you ready to see it?
I'm ready.
All right, walk in, walk in. Come slowly. Come slowly. Don't make sure to crash. No, you're good. Oh, chill. Right here. Pull out your arms, bro. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Relax. Okay, you just stop right there. Just stop right there. All right, your car's right in front of you, okay? You ready? No. Chill. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna tell you to take off your blindfold in 3, and you just take them off. 3, 2, 1. Surprise!
Oh my goodness.
Dude,
Sheesh.
let's get his reaction right there.
Sheesh.
Dude, give me your thoughts. What are you thinking right now, dude? What the hell's going on?
Dude, this crazy color right here.
Dude, what the hell? What the hell's going on right now?
Holy.
I cannot wait to see it in the day. I have not seen it in the day, so it's gonna look absolutely insane. Louis Vuitton projectors, dude. That's absolutely nuts. Jeez, let me know down in the comment section below, what do you guys think? Honestly, one of the sickest builds. So you guys want to know a little bit about the details? We started around 10 a.m. Well, we started, I helped them unbolt like just not the wide body, but just like other like door panels, handles, things like that. Around 9 a.m. on Saturday, we started officially wrapping. Well, my dad did around 10 a.m. They went up to like sundown, which is like around 6 p.m. Then they started again today, Sunday, around 11 a.m. and they finished around 3 p.m. So turnaround was 2 days. Pretty good. And he's now gone. Let's go ahead. They're sick. Yes, sir. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back to another day. I am in my lunch break, but we met with Alex, the owner, once again, now in broad daylight. It was cloudy this morning, but God bless us with sun in lunchtime so we can go ahead and view his car. It's amazing. Let me turn it around. Check that thing out, dude. I don't know what color you guys see it on the camera, but it freaking shines, dude. It's almost blinding. Look at that. Give you guys a 360 view here. Now I'm trying to see if I can get close to you guys. Now you guys can really see the sparkle. It's like gold sparkle, and then it has that like agua de horchata kind of, like, you know the horchata look?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks freaking sick, dude. You look at this car for a second under the light and your eyes, like, it literally blinds your eyes. Like, once you look away from the wrap, like, your eyes have to adjust because this thing is super shiny. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave your feedback down in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys next video. And we'll see when we do another build like this. But honestly, let's set up the bar really high, man. This is one of the sickest builds. Alright, catch you guys later. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Stay safe out there. Peace out.